Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
This is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have look number 2 for Wear It Out Wednesdays, featuring our palette of the month, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture eyeshadow palette. So for this really bold look, I decided to play around with this shade right here. It's called All Star. It's like a burnt burgundy color, which is really pretty. So there you go. This is what I have all over my eyelids and up on the crease. And yeah, this shade right here is the star of our second look for this month's Wear It Out Wednesdays. And if you haven't seen the first look that I did, I'm gonna link it. You can watch it after this video. So before we begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. So if you guys wanna know how I did this bold burgundy look, then just keep watching. Alright, so priming my eyes using the JCAT Contour Quad. This one, yung concealer dito. And then I'm just gonna set it with Dawn. This shade right here. So for this look, I really wanna use this shade right here. It's called All Star. It's like a burgundy red. I don't know how to describe this shade, but it's a burgundy with a hint of like red tone in it. It's a very pretty matte shade. So I wanna play around with that color. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put that all over my eyelids, up to my crease, up to above the crease. And I'm just gonna blow up that color, like intense. That's so easy to apply. And because I'm using a fluffy brush, sobrang dali niyang i-buff out dito sa above the crease area, almost sa brow bone. So hindi na ako nag-dip ulit, pero I'm just blending it out using circular motions and going back and forth. So to blend out itong color na to dito sa area na to, I'm going to get a clean blending brush and I'm just going to clean, well, not really clean up, pero just blend out the edges, going back and forth. So, I'm going to do my face makeup first before I finish off the eyes. Ito lang muna siya sa eyes. Hindi ko muna gagawin yun sa lower lash line kasi gusto ko nalagay ko na yung concealer ko and all. So, I'm just gonna do my face makeup off cam and I will be right back to finish off this eye look. Alright, so the powder has been sitting on my face for probably 5 minutes already and already contoured. So, you can see. But before I finish off the rest of my face, I'm going to finish off the eyes first. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm taking Rowdy. This is a darker burgundy, I think, or brown. So, this is what I'm going to put on the outer corner of my eyes just to add more depth to our look. Although I like this color as is, gusto ko siya na siya lang, pero parang gusto ko mag-add ng something. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna take a small blending brush like this to put Rowdy on the outer corner. going back to the blending brush that I use for the burgundy red, but I'm not gonna put additional product. I'm just going to blend things out. So now I'm going to take Fudge, this brown shade right here, and I'm going to buff that on my lower lash line or waterline. Next, I'm going back to All Star, and I'm also gonna put that on my waterline. Make sure to really tap because it's very pigmented, and I'm gonna squeeze my brush. I'm gonna take an eyeliner. You can use a black or a brown, depends on you. And I'm just gonna tight line. Okay, and then I'm going to put on a winged line. That's it for this eye look. So I'm gonna sweep off yung aking powder sa face. I don't think meron naman siya fall out, which is good. Okay, so I'm just going to put mascara off cam to really finish off the eyes, and we will put on blush and finish off the rest of this look. Okay, so now moving on to the blush. I'm going to use this blush from EB, from Bilena. This is called Raisin. So, ayan siya. And this is the color. And I suddenly remembered that hindi pa pala ako nagko-contour ng aking nose. So, I'm going back to the contour powder that I use, which is this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Okay, so now I'm going to put on highlight. For my highlighter, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome. And hindi pa ako nakapaglagay ng inner corner highlight. So, I'm just gonna take this shade. It's called Cube. So now, for the lips. For the lips, I'm gonna go bold. Just because I rarely go extra on the lips, diba? I'm gonna take the MAC lip liner in Nightingale. And I'm gonna take my NARS Audacious lipstick in... Where is it? Sige, ito na lang. Okay, so this is the NARS Audacious lipstick in Ingrid. It's like a burgundy shade, and this is what I'm going to use. So, there you go. We are done. So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look. It's quite bold, but I really liked how this look turned out. And I hope you guys will stay tuned for the upcoming looks pa that I will create using the ABH Subculture eyeshadow palette. So we have 2 more Wednesdays for this month, and I'm gonna wait to play around with the other shades right here. And yan, sana nagustuhan nyo itong makeup look na to. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!